Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Back with the More Life podcast, aka Tyler. I hope everyone is doing well, feeling well, looking well, having a great morning, or whatever time it may be when you're watching this. I hope everything is all well. Today is day 2, Proverbs chapter 2. I hope you guys liked the first video. We're going to be doing 31 days of Proverbs. Go ahead and bow your heads, say a quick prayer before we get into our readings. Open minds, open hearts. Dear Lord, thank you for allowing us to be here today. Another fresh breath of air on this beautiful morning. Thank you for everything you've bestowed upon us, whether that's our cars, our homes, our health, our wealth, and everything in between. It is all because of you. Thank you very much for allowing us to be able to put in this hard work and share your book with new community members and people that want to learn the way of your word. Amen. You know, I might not be the best at prayer, but I'm saying what I truly feel from the heart. And, we'll leave that at that. So today we're doing chapter 2 on Proverbs. The title of that is Moral Benefits of Wisdom. And now I'm reading this from the NIV Bible. Now this is the first Bible I've ever gotten. I know I mentioned that probably in the first video, but I might mention that every video because I feel like that's really important to me. And I feel like your first Bible should be important to you as well. So let's get into it. Let's just get into it. My son, if you accept my words and store up my commands within you, turning your ear to wisdom and applying your heart to understanding. Indeed, if you call out for insight and cry aloud for understanding, and if you look for it as for silver and search for it as hidden treasure, then you will understand the fear of the Lord and find the knowledge of God. For the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. Well, that's powerful right there. One thing I would like to do, I would like to get a highlighter and start making some notes. So if you guys do have a highlighter, and if you guys are reading from the same Bible as me, the NIV Bible, chapter 2, verse 6 right there, right. For the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. I love that. Or even verse 5 and 6. Then you will understand the fear of the Lord and find the knowledge of God. For the Lord gives wisdom. From his mouth come knowledge and understanding. That's beautiful. I would highlight that if I had one. I'm actually going to make a run to the store today and get highlighters. And I might even get another Bible just for specifically highlighting stuff. And keep this one just, fresh. He holds success in store for the upright. He is a shield to those who walk is blameless. For he guards the course of the just and protects the way of his faithful ones. Then you will understand what is right and just and fair, every good path. For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will be pleasant to your soul. Discretion will protect you, and understanding will guard you. Wisdom will save you from the ways of the wicked men, from men whose words are perverse, who have left the straight paths, to walk in dark ways, who delight in doing wrong, and rejoice in preservedness of evil, whose paths are crooked, and who are devious in their ways. Wisdom will save you also from the adulterous woman, from the wayward woman with her seductive words. That's deep. Who has left the partner of her youth and ignored the covenant she made before God. Surely her house leads down to death, and her path leads to the spirits of the dead. None go to her return or attain the paths of life. Thus you will walk in the ways of the good and keep the paths of the righteous, for the upright will live in the land, and the blameless will remain in it. but the wicked will be cut off from the land, and the unfaithful will be torn from it. Ooh, my goodness. Let's read that again. 20 through 22. Thus you will walk in the ways of the good, and keep to the paths of the righteous. For the upright will live in the land, and the blameless will remain in it. But the wicked will be cut off from the land, and the unfaithful will be torn from it. That concludes our readings for today. That is chapter 2 of Proverbs, moral benefits of wisdom. Now, my insights, what I've took from that is stay true to your word, stay true to your wives, stay true to your husbands. Do not go in through that door. It only leads down to the pit, to evil, to the darkness. Go through your own door. Now, if you interpreted it in some other type of way, please let me know in the comments down below. We will be doing day 3 tomorrow. Ooh, that was good, man. I'm hyped up for day 3. I'm hyped up. If you guys truly enjoyed this, man, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, all the above. We'll say a quick prayer before we get out of here. Again, this is More Life Podcast. My name is Tyler. Let's bow our heads. Dear Lord, thank you for allowing me to read your words today. Thank you for allowing me to speak clearly and not get too nervous in front of the camera. I appreciate everyone that shows up here today. Thank you for allowing me to spread your word and allowing me to give knowledge when knowledge is seeked. Amen. All right, guys, you guys have a blessed day, and I will catch you tomorrow.